How to get special offers and promo codes for KitchenAid. Hello everyone and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about exciting offers such as 15% off on KitchenAid. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open any of your browser and on the search bar type in latimes.com/coupon code. From the coupon menu, select KitchenAid promo code. Here you can see different sections such as 15% off, $120 offer, but make sure to check for the verified status as well as the expiry date. Then tap on View Offer, which will take you to another page. From here, you can just copy the code and paste it while redeeming. Or you could just click on Visit KitchenAid, which will take you back to the website. Now from the KitchenAid website, make sure to log in and add your items to the cart. Once you have done so, while redeeming or checking out, make sure to put the promo code and paste it there. The offer or the discount will now be included in your amount and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.